Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about what a mom did when her son came home after he had been with his father for a day. And he came home sad because his father had called him a dork. How do you reply to that as a mom in this situation? Of course, can also be the other way around, that the son comes home from his mother, but in this case it was he came home from his father. So what did this mom do? Well, before I will tell you how it ended and what the reply was of this mother, I would first like to remind you of the introduction workshop that I will give about how to give space for emotions and limits to behavior with children. When you raise them, it can be quite a challenge, and I would like to share some thoughts about this and give an introduction workshop on how you can do this with your children. And for more information, you can find below at the description. For now, I like to go on with the story. This is about a story. This boy was 9 years old, and the mother told this story. And she said that her son of 9 years old, he had some problems with the divorce, and he was not feeling too well. But well, he had to deal with the situation as it was. It is what it is for a child, of course. But this time, he came home from his father, and he had been there for a whole day. And he came home sad, and his mother could see it. And he told her that his father had called him a dork. Well, the first reply, what came up in the mind of the mother was, your father is a dork himself. But she knew it was not a good idea to say. So she bit her tongue off. She didn't say something like that. Although she thought it, she thought, okay, I have to say something else. I don't want to say something bad about the father. She knew how important this would be for her child. So without telling something bad about the father, she made the following reply. Wow, no one likes to be called that. You would have preferred if he had just said what he wanted, without calling you a dork. And the expression on his face showed that this helped. So, I hope to inspire you with this story, and that the mom told me that I think that it's sometimes a challenge during a divorce not to talk bad about the other parent, but it is so important not to talk bad. So I hope I have inspired you with this reply of this mom, of things that you can say and your situation. What can you say without saying something bad about the other parent? And I hope this helped. Thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to know more about the introduction workshop, look below at the description. That's it for now. Talk to you in the next episode. Bye bye.